Joanne. You know, nothing is worse in the summer than a nagging cough that you just can't get rid of. And one home remedy has been making the rounds on social media. It promotes pineapple juice, but does it really work? Let's find out from Dr. Parth Nandy right now. So, Dr. Nandy, how are you?
Good, Carolyn. How are you?
We're great. So, you got to tell us, is this really going to work for a cough?
Carolyn, I'm a big fan of home remedies, but even Snopes.com has flagged a popular pineapple post. It stated that pineapple juice was 5 times more effective than cough syrup. When you look at the scientific evidence, a review back in 2010 found that pineapple juice mixed with honey, salt, and pepper could help relieve the mucus in the lungs of people with TB. It may thin out the mucus, making it easier to move when you cough, but it certainly didn't say that it was an effective cough remedy.
So I would think that pineapple juice would have a lot of good nutrients at least. I mean, could that help?
Yeah, my kids love pineapples, so they're awesome, and they contain fiber, beta-carotene, zinc, folate, lots of vitamin C. This sweet yellow fruit also contains an enzyme called bromelain. Now, bromelain has strong anti-inflammatory properties, which can help with asthma symptoms. All this goodness is great for the health of your body and could help you fight a cough. So here are my prescriptions. First of all, don't just focus on pineapples, right? Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables, as we always say. Extra vitamin C that you find there is very beneficial to your immune system, which can fight off colds and other viral infections. Secondly, pass on the fried foods when fighting off a cough. These can be irritating to your throat. Also, avoid coffee and other caffeinated drinks. They can dehydrate you. Instead, drink other warm fluids like broth, tea, or juice, which can soothe your throat. And lastly, if you'd like to try the pineapple remedy, mix 1.5 tablespoons of honey, 1 cup of pineapple juice, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. You can drink a quarter cup at a time, 3 times a day.
Wow, okay, so you mentioned honey in that mix. I've heard that's good for us. So what are some other alternative remedies we could use if we have a cough?
Absolutely, Carolyn. Honey can soothe the throat and loosens the cough. I love it. It's great in hot water with lemon. I'd also recommend a teaspoon of honey, but please don't give it to kids under a year of age. You can also try warm soup, spicy foods, and ginger tea. Please don't forget about getting enough rest, also important. And if your cough doesn't go away after a few weeks, please see one of us, your doctor.
Well, Dr. Nandy, thank you as always for your medical expertise. We certainly appreciate you. We'll see you at 5.
I'll see you then. Thank you.
Hard to believe that we'll be in cough and cold and flu season and all that before too long, right? Things are